So today our topic is database users and administrators. Database administrator or DBA. DBA stands for database administrator. Can be a single person or can be a team, which is responsible for managing the overall database management system. It is the leader of the database. It is like a super user of the system. It is responsible for everything that is related to the database, means every person who will access the database first has to permission from the DBA. DBA has full control of data stored in the database and also full control of those application programs which will access the database. It is responsible for the administration of all three levels of the database. All three levels we will discuss later in our next video. The DBA has all the privileges of the Dbms. He also can assign or remove the privileges from the other database users. Database users. First, naive user. Naive users are unsophisticated users who have no knowledge of the database. These users are like a layman which has a little bit of knowledge of the database. They are the end user of the database who work through the menu-driven applications. This type of user does not need to be aware of the presence of the database system. They interact with the database only with the help of the application's interface. They are just accessing the application whatever they are using. Naive users are just to work on developed applications and get the desired result. As for example, railways ticket booking users are naive users, or clerical staff in any bank is a naive user because they don't have any Dbms knowledge, but they still use the database and perform their given task. So in a nutshell, we can say that naive users are unsophisticated users who interact with the system by invoking one of the application programs that have been written previously. Next, application programmers. Application programmers are computer professionals who write application programs. They are developers who interact with the database through DML queries. They are the programmers and develop application programs such as C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, etc. They develop application programs and provide a user interface through applications so that other user can interact with the database. They also specify what modifications are needed to the database structure for an application and relay it to the database administrator. So in a nutshell, we can say that application programmers are computer professionals who write application programs. Application programmers can choose from many tools to develop user interfaces. Next, sophisticated user. Sophisticated users can be engineers, scientists, business analysts who are familiar with the database. These users interact with the database but they do not write programs. So in a nutshell, we can say that sophisticated users interact with the system without writing programs. They form their request in a database query languages. Specialized users. Specialized users are sophisticated users who write specialized database applications. These applications do not fit into traditional data processing framework. As for example, the users of CAD or CAM oriented applications. They are interacting with the database for a certain specific purpose only related to CAD or CAM. So they can be categorized as specialized user. So this is your homework. Try to answer this question in the comment section. I am waiting for your reply. For getting more and more updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.